Work is worship. We all heard this, right? That work is worship. But worship will give you results only when you do it with your heart. When you give your 100%. When you give you the heart out. Then only that worship will pay you, will give you the desired results. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ankit Sharma, working as design engineer at Winsome Express, expert in SolidWorks and affiliate marketer. I hope you all are fine and doing great at your home. So, today I'm going to share my views on the topic. To do the great things, you have to love what you do. Is that right? That you have to love your work. If you love your work, then you can achieve the heights in your niche. But if you don't love your work, then you just like a mediocre. You will get the revenue, you will get the pay, but not get that much height that you want. You have to love your work to go far in your niche, to go far in your section. Whether you are a marketer, designer, doctor, teacher, anyone, you have to love your work. Once you start loving your work, that love, or should I say, that work, it doesn't like a burden to you. Once you start loving your work, you feel like, okay, I'm ready to do this. If someone wakes you up at 3 a.m. at that time even you start doing that work, that's the power of love. By doing your work, once you start giving your work the love, then you give your 100% to the work, and the result will automatically increase in your favor. The people appreciates you for your practice, for your efforts in your work. And once you start loving your work, you enjoy that work. It's not like burden. Okay, I'm going to a job from 9 to 5. It's just a habitual routine. No, you start loving your workable life, your service life. Once you start loving your work, no matter what you are doing, even if you are just doing a computer operated job, then if you loving that job only, you still do good in that job. You have to think that what passion do you have. Once you start following your passion, then you can make that passion into a revenue generate niche. And once you start that passion into revenue generate niche, then you can achieve the height as well. But for that, you need to love your work, because work is worship. You have to love your work. There is no other way to achieve the heights in your section, in your niche, without loving your work. Let's suppose you are doing good in your work, but you are not loving it. Then what will happen? After some time, it's just like boredom. It's just like a plateau phase in your life. You will do the job, but you will not excited about that. Then what will happen? Your engagement, your excitement, your motivation will decrease gradually. And what will happen? Simultaneously, your results will automatically decrease on the other hand. And once the result will decrease, you feel demotivated. You get pay less. So whatever you want to do in your life, you have to love yourself and your work as well. If you talk about me, I love my work. I love designing. I love affiliate marketing. That's what I am doing. And Results will follow me if I love myself and my work as well. So you have to love yourself as well as your work. Once you doing these two things, result will follow you. You will not follow the results will follow you. It's just that the matter of time. Once you start loving your work, the result will follow you after a moment, or you can say few days later. It's just the matter of execution. It's just a matter of implementation that you have to implement on your work. Start loving your work. Start loving yourself. Because once you start loving yourself, you automatically love your work as well. And once you start loving your work, your confidence increases, your excitement increases, your motivation increases, your pay increases, your revenue increases, your appreciation increases, your efforts increases, your value increases. There is so much more will increase with this by just loving your work. So stop giving excuses to anyone and start loving yourself and your work as well. Love your work, follow the passion, and convert your passion into revenue generate niche. That's what we need to do. So just love your work. This is Ankush Sharma. Goodbye. Thank you.